again, ladies and gentlemen, if you could give us your full attention down the center aisle, we're going to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-700. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flight into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight low across your hips and wear it at all times while seated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits. There are 2 forward, 2 over wing, and 2 rear. Signs overhead, disco lights on the floor lead to all of our exits. Everyone has a safety information card located in your seat back pocket in front of you. It is bright red. For your safety and those around you, please take just a moment and look over it. You're going to notice on that card, in the event this love jet becomes a love boat, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so by pulling the red strap over the container. Remove the pouch, place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull it tight. Once outside, pull down the red tab to inflate to manually inflate blow into the red tube at your shoulder. That doesn't work. Well, guess what? We got life rafts on board. Yay, we got boats on board. Alright, they're up in the ceiling. There's one up front here. And right past the mid-cabin there, there's 2 there. Now, if that doesn't work, oh my. Just keep paddle all the way to shore. We'll be behind you with the soft drinks, the beer, wine, and liquor kits. Alright, once again, make sure you're not sitting on your seatbelt, but it's securely fastened. Seat back and tray table are in their full upright lock position, and all carry-on items are completely under the seat in front of you, leaving that area around your feet completely clear. Smoke is not allowed on board, including our lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the law of passenger information sign, posted placards, crew member instructions, and information concerning seatbelts and smoking. Electronic cigarettes cannot be brought out on board the aircraft at any time. If you would, look above you there, you'll see a little seatbelt sign. It's very tiny, but it's already illuminated at this time. As long as it is, you are to remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened. When the captain feels like it's safe for you to move about the cabin, he'll let you know by turning that off. That's going to be your only indication it's safe to get up, move around, or use the lavatories. At all times while seated, keep them fastened around you in case we experience some bumps along the way. Once the seatbelt sign goes off this morning, there are 2 lavatories on board. There's one in the front and one in the back. Due to heightened security, you cannot stand or form a line up here where I'm standing or down this center aisle at any time. Only one person at a time is allowed up here into this front area to use the lavatories. We ask that you remain in your seat till the person that's in the labs made it all the way back to their seat before you make your way up front. Now, if you don't want an unexpected guest, once you go in, close the door, pull the silver latch across. It will light up a red X up here on the ceiling where you see the little green people. There'll be an X. Okay? Well, although we do not anticipate it, if needed for these lovely Martha Stewart oxygen masks, will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, all you do is simply pull down on that plastic tube until it's fully extended. Please quit screaming, please quit choking your neighbor, and just place it over your nose and mouth and breathe normal. Secure that mask with the elastic strap, although oxygen and alcohol, whichever one you prefer, will be flowing. Continue wearing that mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. Those of you traveling with small children or someone needing special assistance, or maybe someone acting like a child, we do ask that you place your mask on first. And I see all you wives looking at those husbands. Make sure you place your mask on first and then assist them. We'll probably pull the lights down a little bit this morning, so if you need a reading light, there's one that you can press up above you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's all the do's and don'ts I've got for you. Those that were paying attention, thank you so very much. And those that were not, good luck. Welcome aboard. here doing an impolite service. As long as that seatbelt sign is illuminated, we cannot give you permission at any time to get up, move around, or use the lavatories. This time we invite you to recline your seats, lay your tray tables down, relax, and enjoy your flight with us to Atlanta. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines.